New AI tool that's going to help you generate text to video, text to images. So this AI tool is actually free and it's new. Grab it now. Let me show you something. So you will see, I'll just play this video up on the screen while I talk, okay? Watch this video while I talk. So this is a video that was actually created by this AI tool. And the good thing is, this AI tool will actually generate you videos up to 30 minutes, 2 minutes, because the video I generated last night was a 2-minute video while I was trying the app. You all know I always try things before I bring it out to you. So today, I'll teach you how to actually generate videos to image or text to videos with this AI tool. Hi, my name is Okobuchi. On social media, I teach you how to monetize the social media platforms, how to edit videos, how to monetize, and how to work with AI tools. Please, if you've watched this video, do not forget to subscribe, do not forget to share, and do not forget to comment in the comment section the next AI tool you want me to teach you. So today, I'll be teaching you about this AI tool that is super good to generate videos. You don't need to go generating images, then you go now animating these images. You just have to text your story, and this AI tool will give you videos for these stories, like images for this story, videos for this story, and so on and so forth, right? So we like things like this. We like free. So let's go, let's dive in. Please, now that it's new and it's still free, use it for your videos. Try to get your YouTube videos faster before they start doing subscription. So let's go. Let me show you how you can get this going. Okay, let's go. So you come to your browser, like on your browser here, and you type MagicLight. So you see this first one, you click on it. Okay, let's click. So when you click on it, you come here and you click on get started. Okay, like start for free. You click on start for free, and they'll ask you to go to your Google account, right? Sign in with your Google, or log in with your Google. So click on sign up, because so they'll ask you to choose which email you want to sign up with. So I'll click here and I choose this email, and then you click on continue and you sort it out. It will come to the app. It will come back to the app. So there, login successful. Okay, now you have here, you can see AI characters, you can see AI video, okay, and you can see actually what other creators have already created here, like so, okay. Other creators have created, and it's good. Now what we need to do is, after you register on this app, let's go out of the app. You see text to video, and you have image to videos and all that. So I'll take you back to ChatGPT and get the story. Okay, let's just get a small story that we'll try on here. So we go to ChatGPT. This is ChatGPT. Give me a short bedtime story. A short bedtime story. A short bedtime story. Okay, let me see. Give me an African short bedtime story with two characters. Please, if you want to, with two characters. Yep. So let's take the story and just generate. Okay, we have this. The story is long, but yeah, ChatGPT is never ever giving short when you say short. So let's get the first character. Let's get the first one. Let's just say we'll get the short one here and copy, because this is the story, right? You copy the story, then we go back to our browser. Please don't forget, you go back to browser, then you click where it says. Now once you have your prompt, let's come back here. So once you have your prompt, you click here on AI video. On top of the AI video, you click. Now they say type in your idea. So I already have a prompt, right? I'll click here and I paste this prompt, because I already have the prompt. You see. Now once you have your prompt here, they say sample ideas. If you want to sample ideas, like you have pictures that you want to put, you can put. Now you also have here landscape mode or portrait mode. So we'll click landscape mode because it's mostly for YouTube videos, right? Since we are dealing with YouTube videos and stuff like that, it's always good to choose landscape. Okay, now here they say select type a language. You click down here on select language. Let's choose English, because of course, you know,
our people are all English people, so we'll choose English language. Let's see. So yeah, you can actually choose. They have different language: French, Indonesian, you have Dutch, you have Portuguese, you have Espanol, you know, but let's choose English. Now once you choose English, style, okay, style of how you want your video to be. Now you come down here, you see the painting style. If you want it to be in painting style, if you want it to be in law, you want it to be in clay style, you want it to be in cyberpunk, I don't know, you want it realistic, you should choose realistic. You want 3D cartoons, you can choose 3D cartoons. If you want Destiny, you can choose Destiny. If you want the GTA, oh wow, as in this GTA is very nice for those of you who want to do like you want to do this PS4 PS5 games, this PlayStation games, you can use this GTA. It's actually very nice. You go for animation, comic, these are the things you have comic, you have animation, you have romance, you have studio, you have all this here. These are them. Okay, so now I think I'll choose realistic because I like realistic. Okay, so I think let's go. I always like 3Ds though. Let's see. So I'll choose realistic. And we are done putting that. When you're done with all that, you come down here and then you click on generate. Okay, so hold up. Let's hold on and see if they're gonna generate, because this app is new. And please, if you're watching till now, if you're still on here, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to share. Okay, don't forget to share. So now they have this. Okay, they're broken it down into 27 shots. Yes, they're broken it down into 27 shots. Don't play, which means they need to generate. These people are not playing. They need to generate all this for you. Okay, so here is, I like this AI. When you're done, please click on next, because I don't even want to waste a lot of time. Now click on next, because they've generated this. They've put the story into parts. They want to generate the creators into parts, the characters into parts. Okay, now first content, second cast, third you have storyboard, and fourth you have preview. So the first one is the content, and then the second is the cast, and then the third is the this is good. Now next step, they're asking you to add character. So at this point, I did not have a picture of a hyena or a tortoise in my phone, so I just decided to like generate this little girl. You can actually generate the hyena or whatever, and then you click next. Okay, this one is just to give you that it's just to fill in the blank, but they'll be the ones to generate everything. So I just generated that image because I wanted to fill the blank at that spot. Now let's click to story and wait. I click to next and we wait for it to load. On storyboard generating. So this is the storyboard. This is how it's gonna look like. Okay, here you can see you have speaker, you have animate, you have history, you have all these things. Okay, one dry season, this, there you go. Oh boy, this is not happening. This app is good. This app is good, man. This app is good. So you can actually add voice if you want to. You can add voice. You see that?
One dry season, add voice. When food.
Let's use Sophia.
One dry season, when food was scarce, tortoise and hyena, two unlikely friends in the African savannah, embarked on a desperate journey to find something to eat.
You see that? So let's say here they say generate video. Now there you go, and everything says everything is okay. So let's put it into video, because there we had the pictures and now this is a video. And you know what? The funny thing is this app actually generates up to 30 minutes of video. That's the funniest thing. It generates 30 minutes video. When I mean 30, I mean 30 minutes or more. to generate. And you all have seen, I'm not hiding anything. I'm actually generating for free. This is for free that I'm generating. So you guys get to understand. So yeah, this is the story. This is the results. Let's play.
When food was scarce, tortoise and hyena, two unlikely friends in the African savannah, embarked on a desperate journey to find something to eat. The sun beat down mercilessly, turning the earth to...
So you see this, it has a background music for you. It have images, like the images, animated images for you, and the story for you without you stressing to go around getting all these images. So yeah, I think for me, this is good for those who are just starting their channels. It's super. So you click on here to download the video. Like here where it says download, you click on download. Sorry. You click on top of download, you download your video, and your video will actually appear on your, how they call it, on inside your file, in your files, on your phone file. So yeah, and you're good. Seriously, I just like this. I don't know, but this is something else. This is beautiful, you know. So please guys, try this out and tell me how you feel, how you like it.